Hello my friends, let's play some Fortnite. If you want to play with me, put your information below the video. Also, if you have any suggestions for me how to play, put it below the video also. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video and all this good stuff. Also, while I'm playing, I'm making money, so check out below the video. I have some binder option robot you can get complete for free. Forex robots, all this good stuff. So check it below the video. But enough with that, let's start up and let's start playing. So, I did figure out a few things here. I did misunderstand a little about this item shop here. I thought I bought some guns and things, but basically it's just wraps, so how the guns looks like when I find them. So, but at least we have a cooler person now, so let's see how we do. Uh, this time around I'm going for a win, but I'm going to be very careful. I'm not going to be so aggressive like I've been in the other three videos actually. So, and I've changed a little the keys. I think I can do better now. So let's see. I'm still learning. This is basically my fourth time playing this game. That coming from a gamer from the 80s that used to side scrolling. So still I wonder how they can have weapons from the start. But okay. I'm not going to think more about that. Let's find a place in the middle of the map. I think we go down there. I'm going to hide, and I'm not going for the most kills, but I'm going for the win. Let's see. Why did they drop much faster than me? I don't know what. Maybe it's a special button for that also. I'm not sure. Okay. Ah, same. Does not matter so much. This is something I can figure out later. I figure out that many like to be in this region here, so let's figure out a good spot to be. We go. I think there are a person here from before, so we might need to kill someone. I think we have two people we need to kill. Let's see if we can take them without the see us. If he can just come here now, we will shoot him. Come. Yes, perfect. We are able. Okay, that was not a part of the plan, by the way, so let's find another hiding spot. Let some other people kill him, but I want some more weapons, that will be quite nice. Okay. I think now we are pretty good. A medical kit could be nice to get. So lost a little life here. Okay, I think we need to break this. Okay, we can't break this. Let's change to a shotgun. Let's go for high ground. See if we can see this fool here. Take us in there. None of these rocks. Let's go over there. I'm also keeping an eye on where the weather is coming from. Like I said, this time around it's not about how many kills. I want to win this time. That could be cool. I think the best position I have till now is number 8. So let's see. We are now 50 left on the map. Yeah, some need to keep an eye on the weather. Seems to be good. We are far away from any problems. Let's cross here. I would love to find a medical kit. Because we only have half life yet, so leftovers, let's see. Maybe something in the house up here. You need to be careful. I don't see anything. Okay, there's someone over there. Let's see if we can sneak up to this person. That is not the person. Let's take him from the high ground. Okay, the map is closing in, so we need to go away from here. We ditch him for the weather. Let me see. Yes, we need to run. We need to get more over here. Let's see. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, I can't jump like that. Then we know. Okay, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and any comments, put it below the video.